Installing rebar with epoxy anchors correctly is extremely important, as many are used in safety-critical applications. To safely install an epoxy anchor, it is very important that the dust is cleaned from the hole to help ensure proper bonding between the rebar and the concrete. Using the Hilti standard installation method, the installer must drill the hole, blow out the hole twice, rush twice, and then blow twice more. This is called the 2x2x2 standard method. At Hilti, we want to help make installation as simple as possible, which is why this installation method is consistent across all of our chemical anchors. This consistency in installation procedures helps make training your installers much easier and increases the simplicity of the installation.